To understand herbal remedies for diabetes, we need to have a basic understanding of what is diabetes, causes and its symptoms. Diabetes is a disease characterized by polyuria, excretion of excessive amount of urine, which is also called diabetes mellitus or diabetes type 1. It occurs when the pancreas has failed to produce enough insulin. Patients always have excessive thirst, hunger, urination and weight loss. We have diabetes type 2 or diabetes insipidus caused when the body produces normal amount of insulin but the target cells don't respond normally to the insulin. Patients with this conditions are usually overweight. Causes of diabetic include high carbohydrate intake, less physical activities, obesity, stress, genetic factors, nutritional deficient. There are different home remedy for diabetic like avoiding sugary and oily food, take low-fat meals, take a lot of fruits, avoiding stress all cost, avoiding coffee, avoiding excess salt etc., which are both preventative and curative for diabetes at some point. Herbal remedy is one of these home remedies for diabetic. Herbal remedy for diabetic aims at preventing the diabetic risk factors or reduces the adverse effect of diabetes. Hence, the common herbs used in diabetes are as follow. Curry leaves, it reduces glycosuria and hyperglycemia. It helps to prevent obesity, one of the causes of diabetes. Malabar Kino, therapeutic content extracted from this tree has been used for a long time too as a herbal remedy for diabetes. Margasa, the use of margasa in treatment of diabetes consists of using about 5 ml of juice of margasa on an empty stomach early in the morning for at least 3 months. Garlic, it has allicin that reduce blood sugar level. Blueberry leaf, this leaf have multiple benefits including treating diabetes besides helping improving function of the circulatory system. Cinnamon, it helps to slow down the effect of diabetes. Onion, it reduces sugar level in the blood. Ginkgo biloba, good in treating early stage 1 diabetes has start affecting the central nervous system. Stevia, it helps to reduce the intake of sugar because it is sweet. Madhuka, just like many other herbal discussed, it help in reducing blood level sugar, thus good for diabetic type 2. Gymnema sylvester, it good for diabetic type 2 where the body produces normal urine but the cells responsible are not responding. Fenugreek, the plant help to lower blood sugar level especially in diabetes type 2. Indian gooseberry, it stimulates the pancreas to secrete insulin that eventually reduces blood sugar. Tinner's cassia, most oral diabetic drugs are made for it. It is ancient herbal used in Egypt. Ispagula, it reduces excessive absorption of sugar in the small intestine thus keeping blood at normal level and it good for diabetic type 2. Asian ginseng, it helps to increase production of insulin thus very good for diabetes type 1. Sweet potato leaves help in lowering the blood sugar. Good for diabetic insipidus. Mango leaves helps in lowering the blood glucose level in diabetics. Bilberry, it reduces the risk of diabetic complications. Diabkal, it is an effective herbal supplement for lowering blood glucose levels and promotes good health. It is made by mixing many of the above-mentioned powerful herbs in a perfect ratio to control and manage diabetes effectively.